Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to create an HTML file and run it on browser. Here I am in my VS Code. I'll create a HTML file. I am in folder named HTML test. Let's create a file, HTML file. Name it test.html. The file is created and it is open in the VS Code. To start an HTML file, you have to give some HTML tag in the file. To do this, we have some usefulness in VS Code. Just type HTML and you can see options. I'll select HTML5 and press enter, and you can see an HTML document is created. At the top there is doc type declaration. Doc type is HTML. This is an HTML file. Then comes the HTML tag. It starts here and ends at the bottom. Between these HTML tag, whatever we write is shown on the browser. At first there is a head tag, which is the invisible part of the HTML file. In the head tag there is title tag. This title will show on the top of the browser. Let's write here and the body tag, whatever we write in the body tag, it will show on the browser body. So let's write h2. h2 is an HTML tag, and between this h2 tag we say now save this file, and if we run it on the browser, let's go to the browser. If we run it on the browser, you can see the text hello world is shown. Now we go back to the VS Code and add some more text to it. Let's say we add a div tag, and right here this is a div tag. Save the file and go back to browser, and if we refresh the page, you can see the text. This is a div tag is shown on the browser. This is the browser body, and this is you can see at the top this is there is a text HTML test, which is the title of the document. If we go back to VS Code, this is the actual HTML file, and let us add some style to the head tag, h2 tag. If we write style color and save the file, then go back to browser, and if we refresh the page, you can see the head h2 tag is now blue. This way you can add some style to the HTML file. There are many different ways to style your HTML document. This is a very basic part of HTML, absolutely for beginners only. You can attach a CSS file, add JavaScript to this file, add any server-side code like PHP and all other things C has. There are many others also, but this is the very basic how we can create an HTML file and run it on the browser. Later on I will show you in-depth development processes to work on HTML file. This is it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.